My name's Tom Slade. I work for Now TV as an insight manager in our data intelligence department. The key objective of our group are basically looking for how we can increase the value that Now TV brings to customers, and that can be things through reducing churn. It can be looking at how we improve cross-sell, how do we encourage our customers to take more passes with Now TV and sort of buy more products, and also just better engage with the content that we have. So encouraging customers to view more, to get to the content that they're interested in faster. The most important thing that Now TV needs to understand about its customers is primarily what content they're looking to consume, and that can be what content they're searching for on the product. It can be what content they then go on to stream. Once we understand those things, it's then about how have they accessed that content. So have they gone through the search journey to find content? Have they sort of clicked on highlights rails, or have they clicked on curated content? That's really important for us because it helps us to determine what are the features and I guess the apps and devices that we need to focus on to help customers have the best experience. Our product analytics data is really important to us, but the challenge for us was actually getting access to it. The size of our Adobe Analytics data is huge, and it's always been stored in a Hadoop environment, and that has previously been not only separate to the rest of our data, but also because of the way that the clickstream data is exported, it's quite hard for a human to interpret and understand how it's used. We've been investing quite heavily in cloud-based data solutions to basically allow us to scale out the amount of data that we can store in one place and sort of combine all of the different data sources that we have on our customers. Having it in that single environment in Google Cloud means it's really easy for us to join to things like our account data, our viewing data, and actually tell an end-to-end story between who a customer is, how they're using the product, and then what they end up going to watch. The Syntasa's allowed us to exploit our product data in a couple of different ways. First of all, it's allowed us to transform our quite uninterpretable Adobe Analytics raw clickstream data into something that's a little bit more bespoke to the Now TV model. Turning that into an interpretable data set has then meant that actually we can scale out the number of users who are actually using that analytics, and actually the majority of our team can now quite easily understand it. The customization within the Syntasa tool has allowed us to pull things like the device type that a customer is using into a single field that makes it really easy for us to query and to display in dashboards, etc. In terms of visualization, we use Tableau, Adobe Analytics. So it's primarily those ways Syntasa's helped us to unlock our product analytics.